Which country has produced the tallest building ever constructed? Answer A. United Arab Emirates. The largest snowflake ever recorded was wider than 30 centimeters. That is true. Which planet holds the record for the highest recorded wind speeds? Answer D. Neptune. The largest desert on Earth is the Sahara. That is false. Antarctica is technically the largest desert due to its extremely low precipitation. Which animal holds the record for the longest migration in the animal kingdom? Answer D. Arctic tern. How many did you get right? Comment your score.